Kerala recorded about 2,423 new COVID-19 cases on Thursday. For an idea of what the government is doing to control the spread of this new variant, we spoke with the Health Minister exclusively.
Joining us right now is Health Minister from Kerala, Veena George. First question, so highest single-day jump in Omicron cases and majority of cases from low-risk countries. What does this mean for Kerala?
Yes, 44 new cases, and so the total now is 107, and out of which one is negative now, the first case, and he has left the CFLTC. And so now at present we have 106 cases, and out of this 106 cases, 52 are the passengers, or they have travelled from low-risk countries, and 41 from low-risk countries, and 14 are contacts.
And if you look at just today's case, majority from low-risk countries.
Yes.
So is it now time for a change in strategy? Because not just Kerala, across states, if you're looking, a lot of cases from low-risk countries.
Yeah, it's definitely needed, I think, because as per the guidelines of the central government, self-monitoring is advised for the people who are coming from low-risk countries. But we are asking of people in Kerala that the self-monitoring doesn't mean that they can go out of their houses and they can go to shopping mall and do the shopping, and they can go to crowds, or they can go to theatres and all. They have to stay back at home, and no social mingling or gathering is allowed. They can have they can be with their family, so that we ensure that their contact numbers are very less. So that we are doing. But I think there is no separation like high risk and low risk countries now, because we have more cases from low risk countries in Kerala, because the people who are coming from low risk countries, they are taking the same flight. The fellow passengers, they are coming from high risk countries. Maybe because of that, they are also getting infected.
Right. Also, instances now, of course, it's very targeted genome sampling, sequencing happening, but there are instances which have emerged where there's been no contact whatsoever with foreign cases. Only 2 in Kerala till now,
yes.
But still, I mean, there is no testing or sampling going across the community. So is there concerns that, listen, this may be far more than what the numbers suggest?
See, Kerala is a state where we have done and we are doing maximum number of genomic surveillance tests. And we are identifying clusters, because Omicron, the infectivity is very high, and so if there is a cluster anywhere in any part of the state, we have already asked our medical officers to ensure that the samples from those of people from those clusters are taken and they are sent to genomic surveillance. But so far no case is found Omicron positive in those clusters.
Right.
And that again is a good sign, because it shows that there is no community spread.